No! I already have everything I need. Where did I go wrong with you? So, this is the checkup you told me you were coming for.
It's not what you think.
Shut up. Because you don't have the slightest idea of what I'm thinking. As for you, Dr. Mark, my so-called family doctor, I must give it to you. You really have some guts. You have the guts to sleep with my wife in your office! No problems. I promise you, you'll be hearing from me soon.
I swear if anything happens to my marriage, you go down with me. I promise you that. Sorry, no.
Not be a fool in my own house. I cannot make mockery of my own house.
Daddy, what's going on? Why are you doing most things like that?
Your mother is leaving this house, and that's fine now.
Daddy, what happened?
Junior, I am so sorry. You're still too young to understand what is going on. But just to know that your mother is leaving.
Mom, sorry. What's happened? Why is that angry?
Take your body upstairs. Don't talk to Daddy, Yemi. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I can't explain.
Explain? I mean, what exactly do you want to explain? You want to explain your infidelity? Or explain the fact that you've been sleeping with a family doctor? Is that what you want to explain to me?
It's not like that. It's not like that, darling.
Tell me how it is. What exactly do you lack? You see, I work my ass off every day to make sure that you and the kids are happy. Even when I was told not to marry you and marry some other person because you were barren, I stood by you. Actually, I stood by you, and this is the way you pass me by.
It was not intentional. I was blackmailed. I was blackmailed into sleeping with him.
What are you talking about?
Dr. Mark told me that you were impotent and that you would not be able to father a child. I found out he lied! He lied! I found out he lied when I gave birth to Junior for you. So many years went by and we didn't have a child or children to show for it. Until that fateful day when this particular hospital was recommended to us. We went there with excitement, only for the doctor to be, of all people, Dr. Mark!
Come in.
You. I remember you.
Yeah.
I never thought I'd see you again.
It's a small world, isn't it?
Actually, it's a small world. We came to run some tests.
What's the problem? Please, pardon my manners. Sit down.
Sit down. Dr. Mark, I really want to use this opportunity to apologize to you for the way things went back then. Alright? I just want you to understand that it wasn't personal.
Come on, that's in the past. What's under the bridge, alright? We've all moved on. And to prove that to you, whatever you do here today is for free.
Oh. It's all good. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
So what did you say the problem is?
The problem is we've been married for as long as you know. Alright, but no child yet. So we decided to come here to ascertain what the problem is.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so you definitely need to run some tests. And for that, we'll have to proceed to the lab so that they'll take some blood samples. Okay. To make that happen. Right, let's go then. This one.
On that day, while we waited for the test result, all I could think about was how to apologize to him for the wrongs I did him in the past. I anxiously wanted to apologize to him. I needed his forgiveness.
Yeah, so just arrange everything for me so that I can come give the patient a 1/6 injection this time.
Okay, no.
And make sure he eats.
He has eaten already.
That's good. Alright. Yeah, come in! You may leave.
Okay, then. Good day, madam.
Mrs. Esiri Obiora. You came back? I thought I told you the test results will be ready until tomorrow.
Mark, we need to talk.
What about?
You're a good man. You didn't deserve any of those. You spent your time on me. You were patient with me. Even when my mother and I were at several points of death, you came through for us. You borrowed money. We're sorry. We're very sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me and my mother.
After that apology,
I became a bit relieved. Little did I know that he had another thing coming for me. I honestly thought he had forgiven me. What do you mean we're fine? It's been 4 years of marriage and we don't have a child and you say we're fine?
Yes. Why so if truly we are fine?
Well, I don't know. But medically, you and your wife are fine. I suggest you just go home and wait on the Lord. Sure, He will bless you with a child at the right time.
I am tired. I am tired of waiting on the Lord. I want my own child. Before I become a laughing stock amongst my peers.
Doctor, if truly both of us are fine, like you said, then why is she not pregnant yet?
Why?
Or is there something you're not telling us? No, if there is, just open up so that we can take it up from here.
There's absolutely nothing. Like I said, both of you are medically fine. Alright? You're medically fine. Look, just pray and hope. Alright? Wait on the good Lord, and I'm sure in no time He will bless you with the fruit of the womb. I mean, you're not the first couple to experience this. Other couples have experienced the same thing, and at the end of the day, they still had their child. Children, if you like. Just be hopeful.
Alright, no problems. Thank you so much for your words of encouragement. I appreciate it. You're welcome.
While I was still confused about the whole scenario, my phone rang again. And it was Dr. Mark. He said there was a part of the result that he didn't want to share with us. He said it was only me he wanted to share it with, and so that I should come to the hospital without you. And so I went.
You called me, and I hurriedly left everything I was supposed to do and came down here. I've been seated for minutes and all you've done is stare at me. What is it? You're scaring me now.
Well, I'll have you know that your husband is responsible for everything that's happening between you two.
How?
It's important. You can't get a woman pregnant. Not you, not anyone.
What?
Yeah.
How? What did you say before him when he was here earlier?
Well, I've seen people react differently in different ways when they hear this kind of news, you know. Some cave into depression. Some their blood pressure will just, spike. Some even go as far as committing suicide. No, we don't want that on our hands, do we?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh Jesus, I'm finished. What do I do with this kind of news? You're a doctor. You can cure him. Please, cure him for me. Please.
This is incurable, alright?
It is?
So maybe God decides to intervene. Perhaps.
There it is. I'm finished. I'm finished. Why? Girl, why did you keep this information away from me?
I don't think he knows. He doesn't know. He doesn't know that he has such an impediment.
Oh dear God. I've been living with an important man this whole time. And there I was, thinking somebody was responsible for my childlessness.
No. No one is responsible. Your husband's condition is the cause. And I'll advise you keep this to yourself. He doesn't have to know. After running those tests, we also found out that your husband is prone to high blood pressure if his emotions are triggered. And we don't want to have that on our hands. I'll advise you just do whatever you can to help yourself. So keep it away from him. That's my honest advice. You don't have to cry. There are ways out of this, alright? I'll always offer help. If there's any.
There he was, staring me in the face. News that I dreaded so much to hear. I was restless and unable to sleep. I didn't want to tell you because, like he said, the news of it would drive you into depression. The news would have probably given you high blood pressure and killed you in the process. And I didn't want you to die.
What are you doing here alone? Oh, babe. You can't tell me it's nothing, alright? I know you too well. I know when you're happy and when you're not. Obviously, you're not happy. So what are you worried about?
What woman in my shoes will be happy? And shouldn't I be worried?
But I've told you not to worry yourself. That God will make everything perfect in His own time. Did I not tell you that?
Please stop saying that. Stop saying that. You make me curious. Is there something you know that I don't know?
And what exactly do you mean by that?
Exactly what you heard.
You know what? I am just coming back from a very important meeting. I need to rest my head.
My phone rang again. This time it was Dr. Mark. He said he had a solution to our problems. And anxiously, I went to see him to hear the solution.
Good morning, sir. You sent from?
I was made to understand that you just resumed work by this time. Why?
I'm sorry, sir. My mom was not feeling fine, so I had to give her some medication properly.
Or did you call me to tell me? Or any of the nurses on duty?
Doc, I'm so sorry. She never happened again.
It had better not. But I'll get to the my office.
Yeah, doctor.
Mrs. Asiri, you're welcome.
Thank you. You wanted to see me?
Yes, I sent for you. You know, I've been looking for ways to help with your predicament.
Oh.
For all time's sakes. Yes, and I know you want a child, right?
Of course.
Okay. I suggest you get someone else to do what your husband cannot do.
Excuse you? You're suggesting I frolic with a man who is not my husband?
Come on, this is what other women do, alright? All the women I know that are in this predicament did the same thing. It's normal.
I beg your pardon?
Well, that was the truth.
You can't be serious. No, you're not serious.
Look, I'm a medical doctor, alright? I see these things all the time, every single day. And this is what they do to save their marriages. And save their faces from, the shame and embarrassment of childlessness. You can do the same thing. Your husband doesn't have to know. Especially now that he's not even aware that he has such a problem. And it'll be so easy. Alright, to keep it away from him, especially now that he doesn't even know his condition. I'm just trying to help.
No, please. Keep your help. I don't need it. I am a respectably married woman. And I have marital vows to keep.
Look, I'm a medical doctor, alright? I see these kind of cases every single day. A lot of women do these things.
How dare you?
I'm only trying to help. For old time's sakes.
I don't need your help.
Look, I am married, alright, with 2 lovely children. You, on the other hand, you have none. I'm a medical doctor and it's my duty to help people. I'm only trying to help.
Hold on. You just said you have 2 children and I have none. Obviously, you're starting to mock.
Of course not. I just want you to be happy like me. That's all. Just do this thing. Everybody's doing it. I don't want you losing your home in your marriage. When your husband's people come asking for a child. You know how frustrating that can be, don't you? Anyways, I'm always here. If you change your mind, for any reason you change your mind, I'll be right here. Always willing to help.
I was disdained, but not broken. His willingness to help me become a mother, despite all that I did to him in the past, was one aspect I had to deal with. In that moment, I was caught between the devil and the deep blue sea. I didn't know what to do. I was visibly perturbed. From that moment on, I was no longer myself. I needed to talk to someone, because clearly I was going insane.
I wish I could just be courageous enough to open up to him on everything. How much longer can I cope with this alone? Oh God, help me. If only he knew I am thinking about the outrageous utterances from our so-called new family doctor.
Babe? I've told you to stop worrying yourself, right? Eat your food. Everything will be alright. Okay?
Okay. Are you enjoying your food?
You always enjoy your meal. I'm actually enjoying this. Hey. Sorry.
Thank you.
You see?
Nothing in me was the same anymore. I needed to talk to somebody because I was clearly losing my mind. I spoke to my friend Abigail and she told me it was a crazy idea. She warned me about the dangers involved, but I didn't listen to her. All I could think of was how to give you children like every normal married woman does. Give her husband children.
You ready?
Yes. But it has to be a secret. No one has to ever know this happened.
Cross my heart. My son to die. No one will hear it. Come here.
Hey, not here.
Why?
Someone might be working. What happened to the bottle or something?
Come on, no one comes to my office without walking.
I am a married woman, for Christ's sake.
I'll lock the door. Oh. So, you're welcome once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now in my hands here, I have the results of the test conducted on your wife. Okay. And it came back positive. Positive? I don't understand what you mean by that. Your wife is 1 month gone. She's 1 month pregnant. You're joking, right? I kid you not. I told you. I told you that at God's time, it will happen. See for yourself. Hey. Hey.
Yes! Yes! Doctor, thank you so much. You said it.
I did.
Doctor, you said it. So finally I'm going to be a father after 4 years. See that? Look at it. Okay. You're not happy? She's crying.
These are tears of joy. I can't believe it finally. I'm pregnant. Darling, thank you. Thank you for your patience.
I should be the one thanking you. Okay? I love you. And I'm super proud of you. Alright? Doctor, thank you so much.
Anytime.
He is obviously very excited about the feeling of being a father. If only he knows this child is not his. Can I ever bring myself to letting him know that? Oh no, I can't.
Babe?
Yes, darling.
You're not excited.
I am.
I mean, what's the problem? Are you having a mood swing?
No. If anything, I'm excited. We're about to have our first baby. Finally.
I'm actually more excited than you are, honestly. I can't wait to be a father. Sweetheart, I'm really proud of you. Oh, mommy, you're welcome. Da-dum-dum-da-da-dum. Get all these monkeys off my back. Da-da-dum.
Can you feel anything?
No.
I guess you're good to go.
Okay.
Oh,
What are you doing?
what does it look like? Of course I want to make love to you.
I beg your pardon. Is that what you do to women that come here for antenatal?
Of course not. Come on.
Then what is this?
What if you must know it's called revenge? This is me trying to revenge for all the things you did to me in the past. Now since we have that out of the way, can we do this?
Revenge. I thought you forgave me.
Never. That will never happen. Why are we going back and forth? Can you just do this thing? What's your problem?
Don't touch me. Listen, mister. What happened between us the last time was a mistake. A big mistake that I still regret. Letting it happen a second time will be highly unacceptable by me.
Do I need to remind you that you're carrying my child?
Point of correction. This is not your child. Let's establish that what you wanted was sex with a married woman and you had that. Whatever came out from that sex is none of your business.
Wow. Look at you talking all tough, huh? Now let me remind you. I will have sex with you whenever I want and however I want. Now your failure to comply, I will go singing like a bird to your husband. I will tell him that this child that he's so excited about is mine, not his. And furthermore, I will send you nudes to him, especially the one where you were riding me like a horse with a large appetite. So,
you threatening and blackmailing me at the same time?
I really don't care what you call it.
What have I gotten myself into? Oh God. Abigail warned me against this.
It's your call. I guess I'll just tell him.
Amen.
I've always known you to be smart. Why does this I get it over with? I'll do it nice and easy.
Until that fateful day.
Your phone.
Yes.
Dr. Mark has been calling.
Did he say anything?
No. I mean, I didn't pick it. You know how much I don't like taking your calls. But is there something you're expecting him to tell me?
No. I mean, yes. I figured he may have told you that I haven't visited the hospital in a while.
Oh, I see. Why don't you call him back and know why he's been calling?
Yeah, I will later.
No problem. Take your time.
Okay.
Of course, I would have to call you back. Why don't you barge into my office like that? Huh?
I have come to warn you to stay clear of me. Stay the hell away from me. Stay away, Dr. Mark. You and I are over. We've been over for years now. The earlier you get that into your head, the better for us. Stop calling my phone!
So you think I will let someone else father my child? I better think again, because that will never happen.
I will not warn you again. I changed my phone number, so he will not be able to reach me again.
I changed hospital so that we will not see each other again. Weeks rolled into months and he didn't call me. We didn't see. I became happy. I moved on with my life. Months passed and I realized I was pregnant for you. I was sure the pregnancy was yours because I had stopped sleeping with Dr. Mark months ago. Then it became clear to me that he lied. It became clear to me that he only wanted to take revenge on me for the past. Oh whole year passed and things went back to being rosy. Until that fateful day, the doorbell rang. I told Zara to go and see who it was. Lo and behold, there he was, Dr. Mark, in my house, after many years.
Every night, every morning, you seem so worried. I know you, honey. I can pay it on me. You don't seem like you used to be. I don't know what is happening. Is there something you have to tell me that you hiding from me? Is there something you have to let me know that you hiding from me? Every night, every morning.
How smart can you be? Well, I'm back now. And let's say I'm back for good.
What? Leave. Leave this place. This minute.
This time you still.
Mark, you shouldn't be here.
Why? Is your husband home?
Yes. And I don't want him to come down and see you here.
Wow. You know, I'm glad your husband is home. You know what that means, right? If you do not agree, I might have to expose you.
What? Stop it!
Stop being stubborn.
What is wrong with you?
Okay, now I know how it is when you want it like this, huh?
What? What? Get off me!
Okay.
Big man!
Dr. Mark. Longest time.
Yes, it's been a long time.
You're welcome to my humble abode. Please sit.
Thank you.
Tell me, where have you been? Because the last time I came to the hospital, you were not there.
Yeah, I had to jet off to Europe for medical training. And afterwards, I decided to stay back with my family for some rest.
Oh, I see. You know, I'm actually planning such a trip for my family.
You are? That's amazing. You should. Yeah. So how's the family business?
No, it's been good. God has been faithful. Has blessed us with 2 beautiful children. A boy and a girl.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Sweetheart, how come you've not offered him something? Don't worry. Let me get you something.
That will be necessary. I'm actually hurrying off somewhere. I came to attend to a patient somewhere around the neighborhood, so I decided to swing by and see your family.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
There's something I want to talk to you about.
Okay. What is it you want to talk about?
Well, a good diet can actually be a good immune booster. And as a man, there are some prescriptions and routines that you need to follow. So why don't you make out time to swing by the hospital so that I can prescribe some of them for you? Supplements, something.
Alright, no problems. I will definitely come around.
It's okay.
You're indeed a good man.
I am.
I appreciate it, man.
It's my pleasure.
I do.
I'd like to be on my way now.
Alright, no problems. Please do have a great day ahead.
He's actually a very wonderful person. Thanks.
Excuse me. What was the meaning of that? What's the matter with you? You mean you really came here to expose me? Really?
I swear, if you hadn't given me signs not to speak, your husband would have heard everything. Cut all that. Remember, I have you anytime and anywhere. Remember, right?
Are you sick in the head or something? What is the matter with you? Why? Why are you bent on destroying a marriage I have spent years to build?
Do the needful and our secrets will be safe.
Dr. Mark, what do you want?
What do you mean, what do I want? I've said it countless times, alright? I want to have you anytime and anywhere. And if you fail to comply, be rest assured that I will come back here and tell your husband everything. And just in case you're wondering where I have been, well, I had to jet off to London just like I told your husband. And all the while I was there, I really missed you. Come on, there's no doubt that you're the best I've ever had. Even my wife doesn't hold a candle to you. So anytime I call you, you better come running. Because I swear to hell and high heavens, your husband will hear from me.
The tension became really high in his second coming. I was very terrified. But I summoned courage to go talk to him, to pacify him. All of which yielded no result.
Why? Why are you bent on destroying me? I've worked so hard to keep my marriage. It has been years of hard work. Why are you bent on ruining it? I mean, I thought what we had was a one-time thing. Why would you back off? Mark, I'm gradually losing my mind.
Why would you spare me all that cock and bull story? What were you thinking, huh? That I wouldn't pay you back for what you and that wicked mother of yours did to me? Is that what you were thinking?
My love, now that you're done with school, what's next?
Of course you know what's next. I'll go out there and look for a job.
And after that, what next?
Sure you know what's next.
I don't know.
Let me think. I'll come be your bride price. That's it, right?
That's sweet.
I know.
I can't wait to be your bride.
Please don't.
Thank you. I will never leave you. Never.
I believe you. I believe you. Well, on that note,
yeah,
I want you to do me a favor.
What is it?
Close your eyes.
What?
Close your eyes. Come on.
Why?
Can you just obey the last order?
Are you serious right now?
Never been more serious. Come on, close the eyes now.
Oh, my eyes are closed.
Should I fry egg for you?
Maybe.
Open them.
Right.
I want you to marry me this year and make me the happiest man. Say yes, 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 say yes.
That's good, that's good.
had such a beautiful thing going on. I gave you my engagement ring in the presence of everybody. And I was convinced that you were going to be my wife. But what did you do? You blew it all away because of money? Huh? Because I wasn't working at the time. But when your mother was sick, I was there. When nobody was. I stood by you because I love you.
My baby.
What's wrong with her?
Mama.
Babe, how is she?
She's not getting better. Mama is not getting any better. I think she's getting worse.
Mama.
Let's do something. I don't want my mother to die. You know she's all I have.
Your mom is not going to die. Calm down. Mama, how are you? Mama?
My whole body is on fire. I think I'm losing strength.
No, don't lose your strength.
Mama, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. We'll take you to the hospital now. Let's take her to the hospital.
Hospital?
Yes, now.
I don't have money. There's no money in this house.
Well, I don't have either, but we have to take her to the hospital. Right? Let's take her first, please. Please. It's an emergency. Let's take her, please. Mama. Mama. You have to try. Mama, you have to try.
Mama, let's go. They'll treat you.
Okay. Doc, how is she?
I'm afraid. She has a severe cardiac sarcoma which needs to be operated as soon as possible for her to stay alive. Her condition is rather too critical as we speak right now. What is she talking about?
Babe, it's a medical term for heart tumor. Yeah, your mom has a severe one and she needs to be operated on to stay alive. To keep her alive.
Do the operation, please.
Okay.
We put ourselves together. So, what are we supposed to do? Like, how much would this operation cost?
At least 500,000.
500,000?
Yes.
That's a lot of money. Where are we supposed to get that kind of money from?
Calm down. Please calm down.
The quicker the money is gotten, the better. Excuse me. I have other patients to attend to.
I borrowed 500,000 naira so that your mom will stay alive. Because I love you. And I was so sure that you were going to be my wife. Even when you were sick, I went ahead to borrow money to save your life. Do you know why? Because I loved you.
Mark!
You okay? Oh, Doc.
Don't tell me you slept here.
Of course I slept here.
Why don't you go and look for the money so we can commence treatment on her immediately?
Doc, if I had the money, I would have given it to you a long time ago. Come on. Even the one I borrowed for her mom's operation, I haven't even paid back.
You have to try. You have to really try. You have to really try because the more time you're wasting, the more chances are that you would lose her.
Doc. No, Doc, I can't lose her. Please, just do whatever you can to make her well again, please. I'll go out there, I'll go and look for money, but make sure she's fine, please.
That's okay.
I'll go right.
Okay.
Doc, what if I'm able to get just a percentage of the money? Will you take it?
It's fine. At least something a bit reasonable, so we can commit treatment for her immediately.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was in huge debt because of you and your mother. Because I wanted you two to stay alive for me. Do you know why? Again, because I loved you and I was sure that you were going to be my wife. But what did I get in return? Backstabbing, wickedness, and rejection. And you talk about losing your mind? Really? Come on.
See your children. I bless this marriage.
Amen.
Both of you will live to see your children's children.
Amen.
Anything you lay your hands on shall be fruitful.
Amen.
Your going out and coming in shall be blessed.
Amen.
And above all, you will have both male and female children.
Amen.
I bless you in the name of God the Father, Amen. God the Son, Amen. And God the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Amen.
What's going on?
Say, what are you doing, Mama?
My son, you're welcome. As you can see, my daughter here has obviously moved on. She's married to this young man, Obiora, whom I have accepted as my son-in-law. Honestly, it was a difficult decision for us to take, but we had no choice. You are a fresh graduate with no job, no money, and you have seen our condition. You know we can't continue like this. Eh? So when he came asking for my daughter's hand in marriage, I had no choice than to accept him. As you can see both of them together. You met me blessing them. A small time now they will leave.
Mama, what are you talking about? What's this?
You have to move on with your life.
Mama, babe, come on, this is not what you promised me now. What's going on?
I'm sorry, Mark. I'm really sorry. Like my mother said, we have suffered so much in the hands of poverty.
Yes.
We can't continue to suffer when there is a ray of light in our way.
Oh.
She's right. You're a fresh graduate. You don't have a job yet. You don't know when you get a job. You still have a lot of things to figure out with your life. And I don't think I can afford that time. I don't have that patience. Forgive me for breaking your heart and breaking the promises I made to you. Yes. But we're grateful. My mother and I were very grateful for all the times you have been there for us.
I appreciate everything you did.
We do.
Yes.
What are you saying?
Well, you have to
Let go of me! Let go of me! Babe, you can't do this to me now! Babe, this is not what you promised me! Babe, come on now! This was what you promised me! Babe! Babe, please!
What do you want me to do?
Please help me talk to her, Mama.
Talk to who? My daughter is married. I can't talk to her. Talk to her on what? Go ahead, get yourself.
Oh my God. I was hurt. I was demoralized. I was devastated because of you. The only land the only land my late father left for me was taken. Was taken by those I borrowed money from to save your lives. That land was my only home. But it was taken from me. And you want me to forgive you? You see what you did to me? I will never forget. And I will never forgive you. Look, Abigail, I'm so disappointed. Like, you knew about this, you couldn't even tell me. It's not nice now.
She warned me not to tell you. That's why. That's why I didn't say anything about it.
Anyways, can you just help me talk to her, please? Talk to her, let her come back to me. Now, I can't afford to live without that girl. Oh.
Mark, how do you expect me to do that?
I don't know. Just look for a way. Come on, look, I will die. Knowing that she's with another man. I will die, I'm serious. Oh.
Look, Mark. I know how much you love my friend Isiri. But please, I will plead with you not to do anything stupid to yourself.
Fine, you know how much I love her. Then help me talk to her. Please. I beg you, please.
It's fine. I'll go see her and talk to her.
You help me talk to her?
I'll try my best.
Please, I am counting on you, please. You know I love your friend a lot. Please, I beg you.
I know you love her so much. I'll try and talk to her.
I believe you. Me, I believe you. I know what you can do.
I'll try.
I'm counting on you.
I just said I'll try. I'll talk to her and get back to you.
I believe you. Thank you.
What's up? What is it you wanted to desperately talk about on the phone?
Where is your husband?
He's at work. And he won't be back till evening.
Isiri, I came because of Mark.
Oh.
I was with him yesterday and you needed to see how he was shedding tears like a baby.
Really?
I couldn't help but feel pity for him.
So why was he crying this time?
What else? If not that you left him for another man. After everything he did for you and your mother.
I knew you'd play that card. What has he done that somebody has never done? And I asked.
Really?
I mean, is it not his mates that are out there buying cars and houses for women? Girl, please.
I don't expect you to sound like this. Remember, he even engaged you.
Who? This guy is very funny. You actually refer that as engagement?
Really?
Yeah, really.
Anyways, I am here to plead with you. Please try and see him so you guys can talk things over. Please.
No, you need to talk things over with him. Start by telling him to pick himself up and move on with his life. Because I have moved on. I have moved on. I am married now. Happily. I'm in my husband's house. You don't expect me to go where and do what?
At least talk to him.
Abigail.
Remember I did a lot for you and your mother.
Don't make me believe you're one of the people that are jealous of me.
Are you saying that to me?
Yes! You're probably jealous I'm married and I'm living in my paradise now and you expect me to leave my kingdom.
Seriously?
To come and apologize to Mark. Over what? What has happened to him that has happened to nobody?
I even told Abigail to talk to you. But because of your wickedness, you paid deaf ears to her.
I was about coming to your house.
Abigail, what did she say? Abigail, don't do this to me. Tell me something. What did she say? Talk to me now. Talk to me. What did she say to you?
Mark, I think you should move on with your life. Because Siri has obviously moved on.
What do you mean? What do you mean I should move on with my life? What are you talking about?
She doesn't want to have any connection with you anymore. I would advise you look for another girl. A girl that will love and cherish you for the rest of your life. Because there is nothing you will do to bring Siri back to you. She's officially married. And I really do hope you understand.
You can't be serious. What are you saying? Look, Siri loves me, alright?
I wish you all the best in your life's endeavor. Good luck.
Siri, there has to be something you can do. You made my life so miserable. I couldn't bear the thought of watching you get married to a total stranger. And to make matters worse, you had my ring on your finger and you said I do to another man. Where's my ring?
I lost it.
Well, that's how you're going to lose everything that matters to you. You and your mom do not deserve to live because you're so wicked. You know, I decided that if our paths ever crossed again, that I'll make sure I get my pound of flesh. There's no way on earth that I would have let what you and that wicked mother of yours did to me to go like that.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Mark, I've begged you. I've been begging you and I'm still begging you. I begged you. I thought you forgave me.
How would I forgive you? After what you did? Huh? Well, I pretended to forgive you because I wanted to pay you back. Newsflash, I forgot. Maybe I should also tell you this now. I do not have any wife or any child anywhere. After what you did to me, I was so traumatized that I couldn't ask another woman to marry me. It was all your fault. I haven't been married ever since. I do not even have a child anywhere. Because of you. I was too traumatized to ask anyone to marry me. All because of you. But today I'm going to make you one promise. I'll make you suffer. I'll make you feel the pain that you made me feel that day and even more. Why are you crying? What were you thinking? Can you go scot-free? Really?
I'm deeply sorry, Mark. Believe me, I am.
Well, I'm sorry too. Because it's too late. You will continue to sleep with me. And failure to do that, your husband will hear everything. And not only that, I'll take my child back. So you decide what you want.
That was how it all happened. He kept having his way with me until today.
So, what you're telling me now is that you've been sleeping with Dr. Mark all these years, right? Obviously, you've been married to 2 men. At least, it wasn't a bad one, so you can use them anyhow you want, right? I'm sorry.
I'm very sorry, I was tricked. I was deceived. If you didn't tell me that you were important.
Could you just shut up? Alright? Shut up! Where did I ever go wrong with you? Did I force you into this marriage? I gave you your time to go think about it. You thought about it and said you were okay with it. And I supported you. Okay, why are you now apologizing? What exactly are you apologizing for? Okay, you're sorry. You didn't mean to do it. Okay, I'll never do it again. For me to take you back. So that at the end of the day, we'll come back to where we are right now. Hey Siri, you're a disgrace to yourself and to the entire womanhood. I am done with you, and I am done with this marriage.
Please.
Obviously, she's not mine, right? Take her and pick your things and get out of this house this minute. I don't want to ever see you again, please. Your mother has a lot of explaining to do to you on your way out. Please get up. Please don't make me do this.
Let's talk about this.
Right? Don't make me do this before you see the other side of me you never even existed. Pick your things and get out of my house.
Oh, okay, please. Please, I'm very sorry. It was all a big mistake. It was all a big mistake. I'm sorry. Please take it from me. Take it from me. Please, oh, please.
Every night, every morning, you seem so worried. You want to tell, you seem so worried. Let's start talking.
Now listen and listen good. I don't want to ever see this woman and her child inside this compound again. Do you understand me? Do you?
Yes, okay.
Let's go.
Now talk to me. What happened?
Mama, Obiora has chased me out of his house. He says he's not marrying again.
I don't understand. What do you mean? Eh?
Mama, it's all your fault. It's all your fault. You pushed me into this. You ruined my life because of your quest and love for material things and money.
I'm still lost here. What are you talking about? Eh?
Mark played a devilish revenge on me. And the result has landed me into this mess. The result has made my husband chase me out of my matrimonial home.
Why will Obiora do such a thing? Eh? And what did Mark do to preempt that?
Mama, I should not have listened to you. I should have listened to you. You ruined my life, Papa. You ruined my life.
Esiri, all I want is just for you to give me a chance in your life. Let me show you how serious I am about you. You're definitely my kind of woman. And I promise you, I will cherish you, love you, and respect you. Just be my wife, please.
I have somebody in my life. And so I cannot say yes to you. It will break his heart. And he has been through so much for me.
Yeah, I understand. Alright, your mom has told me about him. But I'm not that kind of a person that will subject you into doing what you don't want to do. I am not. All I want you to do is take your time, think about it. Alright? If you want to be with him, I promise you, I will understand that I will never bother you again. But if you choose me, see, I promise you I will love you for the rest of my life.
I will think about it.
In that case, I guess I have to wait for your response. But while we wait, give me a minute. I just transferred 200,000 naira into your account. Yes, just use it for your toiletries. Your mother told me that yours has finished. Okay?
This is a lot of money.
There are more actually where that is coming from. Okay? If you want more, I could give you more. I just want you to be happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You ruined my life. Mama, you ruined my life. I shouldn't have listened to you.
My daughter, please. Forgive me. Oh? Why alarm? Please. I was not doing all that to cause you pain. Huh? I was only doing it for us to have a better life. And you know it. I cannot hurt you. You are my only daughter. My only child. How can I cause you pain? Please forgive me. Forgive me. Why alone? Oh? Hey. Hey. Look at what I've done to myself. What am I going to do now? What will I do now? Where will I run to? Please. Oh? Please. Hey!
What a ridiculous story. I can't believe Dr. Mark could go that far as to achieving his so-called revenge. I can't believe that.
Barrister Ben.
Yes.
Please. The only thing I ask of you is to make sure that he pays dearly for every single pain he has caused me and my family. That is all I want.
You can always count on me, Mr. Obi. I assure you that he will not come out of this with his head intact. Not possible.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I also want to thank you for your swift response. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
God bless you, Mr. You're welcome.
Who? It's me. Madam.
Is Hoga around?
Yes, ma'am. Madam, no, of course I should open it for you. Since I'm losing my job, I don't lose my job, madam. See? I should not open again for you people who says I will lose my job. And you know I don't want to lose my job.
Nathaniel!
Yes, Oga.
What is going on there?
Sir, it's Madam and her mother.
Let them in.
Okay, sir.
I want you to find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please.
Yes, please. Please, my son, hear us out. Oh, we are truly sorry for everything. Please forgive her. Biko. Forgive me too.
I really need to understand what you're sorry for. I mean, is it for conniving with your ex to ruin my marriage? Or for the fact that Zara is not my daughter? I mean, what exactly are you sorry for?
For everything. We're sorry for everything.
Yes.
Please forgive us.
Mama, even you. You told me that she has cut all ties with that young man. And I believed you. But it wasn't the truth. Now, look at the result.
My son, please. My son, please. We are sorry for everything. Yes. It's a mistake on my own part. put the blame on me, but please forgive her. Oh, why am I? Ogo, you go.
Do you know the truth? I meant it when I said I was done with you and with this marriage. I don't want to ever see both of you in this house again. Nathaniel!
Yes, Oga.
Please have a rethink.
Bundle them out of this compound.
Okay, sir. Please behead him. You have to leave. Please leave now.
Hey! Hey! Mind up. Just listen to me.
Mommy, please, now I don't want to lose my job. I beg. Mommy, madam, please.
Don't touch me!
Madam, please, I don't want to lose my job.
Idiot!
Please, my in-law. Oh.
Please. Don't sack me. Mommy, please, man.
Every night, every morning.
What did I ever do to you to deserve what you did to me and my family? I brought you close. I made you my family doctor. And you turned around and ruined my family. Why?
What I really mean to, alright? The only person I wanted to get back at is your wife. For the wickedness she and her mother meted out to me years ago. That's it.
And you felt the only way you could do that was by destroying my family.
Well, what I didn't mean to, alright? The only person I wanted to get back at was your wife for what she and her mother did to me. They were wicked to me. After everything I did, they chose you over me. Why? Because you had money and I didn't have. Now if you were in my shoes, what would you do? Huh? I'm sure you would do worse than I did.
And you know what, Dr. Mark? By the time I am through with you, you will beg for death. But death will be so far away from you.
Hey. Calm down.
From you. Hey!
Officer, that's the idiot.
Good. Dr. Mark, this is Inspector Moscow, and here is John from A Division. You are under arrest for deceit, rape, and every other illegal practices in this hospital. So you have the right to remain silent, because whatever you say will be used against you in court. Now, officer, move in.
Come on, this is nonsense. I need to talk to my lawyer.
There's no time for that.
Officer,
let's go out of this. When we get to the station, you can do that.
Let's go this way.
It's fine.
Hey, this way.
Fine.
They go.
days. Can you just calm down and talk to me? What is the problem? You've not said anything since I came here.
I saw him. I saw him today. I saw the one person I never thought I would ever set eyes on again. I saw him.
Who did you see? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Mark. Mark.
Which Mark?
How many Mark do you know?
Wait a minute. The same Mark your mother talked you into leaving for Obiora?
The same one they recommended for the test at the hospital. Mark works at the hospital now.
My God. I sense trouble coming. So what are you going to do now?
I don't know how to fix this right now, 'cause I'm in
just confused.
'Cause I'm in pain. 'Cause I'm in pain.
She was right. She was right about sensing trouble. If I had known, I would not have continued. But no, I still went on with him.
This is so ridiculous, I don't believe you. So you mean Dr. Mark wants to get you pregnant? So it would look like your husband did it?
That's what he said.
What do you intend to do?
I intend to give in.
What? What if you give in and you still don't get pregnant? What would you do?
That's not possible. I mean, I am fertile, so I will get pregnant. It's my husband who is important.
Okay, let's look at it this way. What if eventually he gets you pregnant and he demands to have his child?
Okay, that is not going to happen. Dr. Mark has a lot to protect. He's married. He has a family. From where I see it, all Dr. Mark wants is to have a piece of me again, which I don't mind. Also, he's been a friend to me by trying to salvage my issues, which is inability to have a child. He's going to solve it. He's going to give me a child. So there's no way all this drama that you're envisaging will occur.
I really don't see this going well. It's not going to end well. Why not look for any handsome man and pay him off so he can get the job done? Instead of Dr. Mark that you've already had a bad past with.
Abigail, you know what they say. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. I'd rather have this with Dr. Mark than with any random guy who has nothing to lose or protect.
Really?
Yeah.
I am your friend and I can never deceive you. You need to have a rethink. Don't say I did not warn you.
Wait. My husband is back. That's his car. Let's change topics, okay? Let's change topics. I should have listened to her, but I didn't. Now my whole life is crumbling before me. I should have listened.
Please, alright, don't cry. Everything will be fine. God knows the best.
Yes. God knows.
Please, everything will be fine, okay? Please don't cry.
Sir, you have 10 minutes to discuss with this young man. Okay, officer. Thank you very much. Thank you. Dr. Mark, hey, why are you like this? Are you alright?
Do I look at them all right? Look at my face. Huh? You don't even want to imagine what those boys did to me in that cell. They beat me up like a common criminal. Look, you have to get me out of here. Now, like you have to do something to get me out of here.
That's why I'm here. Okay? I had to come as soon as I got a call. But first, before I do anything, I'd like to hear in detail what happened. I mean, tell me. Okay, what really happened? I mean, why are you here?
Barrister Ben, now that he has been arrested, what's next?
He has to be charged to court at once.
Then after that?
He will face the music of his own drum.
See? Okay. So, what are my chances of getting justice at the end of the day?
I will give you 95% chance of having the victory.
That's exactly the kind of things I like hearing.
Mr. Bureau, you have to be rest assured. The victory is yours because the crime he committed is punishable by law. In section 370 and 380 of the Criminal Code Act as amended, he will not only lose his license as a medical doctor, he will also be sentenced to jail. I promise you that.
That's more like it. That's exactly the kind of things I like hearing.
It's alright, Mr. Bureau. I'll be on my way.
Okay.
I have something to tidy up in my office.
Alright, no problems. I'll keep in touch. I'll keep in touch. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Sure.
This story is so ridiculous. How could you do such a thing? I mean, what were you thinking? My goodness. Okay. Listen, have you told the DPO, no, sorry, I mean the police, have you told them about everything? I mean, have you told them you're guilty as charged? Have you?
Well, I did, and I'm unapologetic about it. All I wanted was my revenge, and I got it, and that's all that matters.
What were you thinking, bro? What were you thinking? How could you go tell them that you're actually guilty as charged? Why? Do you know the gravity of the offense you committed? Yeah. What I'm saying is, your time is up. Get up. Get up! Criminal.
Not a criminal!
Shut up! Officer,
what do you know?
Officer, please, he's not my client's man. This young man is a criminal. He's not. Please don't run. Mr. DPO, I am here for us to talk about this thing.
Honestly speaking, I spoke with my client and he admitted to committing the offense in question. So please, I want you to speak to this man, the complainant. Let us find a way around this. My client is sorry for everything he did. Please, do something. Let us come to a compromise. I want dialogue. Let's dialogue with this man and find a way around this thing. Please, DPO. That's why I'm here. Please.
Barrister Ambrose.
Yes, DPO.
Do you actually know the offense your client committed?
Of course I know. That is why I'm here. If I didn't know, I would not be here. The offense is a grievous one. Section 370, 380 of the Criminal Code Act as amended stipulates that. Please, let's find a way around this. You're my friend, you know that. Please, DPO, please.
Barrister Ambrose.
Yes, DPO.
If I didn't know you before,
yes,
I would say you're speaking nonsense. As a learned person you are, you don't do this. Okay, I will only advise you to go and meet that young man, the owner of the case, and discuss with him. Because as the matter is now, I cannot release that man. As a matter of fact,
yes, DPO,
the owner of the case has already said the matter is going to court. And you are aware of it. So I wonder what you are doing here.
Listen, DPO. I understand everything you have said. And I'm here for us to dialogue. There's no room for us to begin to fight or accuse each other or begin to talk here and there. Please. Okay, fine. If it's about money, I'll give you money. On my own, I can give you enough money. My client can also give you enough money. Just end this matter. Let there be a seal on it. End it. Speak to the man in question so that he can die the whole thing. I just want my client to be released. Please, DPO, please. I'm begging you. Please.
Barrister Ambrose, if I heard you well, do you mean you want to bribe me?
Not exactly. That's not exactly.
Hold on. Barrister Ambrose.
Yes, please.
You just said you want to give me money.
Not really, but
see, listen. If not because we went to the same school together, if not because you are my friend, old-time friend, yes, I would have done something stupid right now. Because I have evidence of all you just said. I will advise you to go and meet that man.
DPO. First of all, let me apologize. Okay, I didn't mean to say all this, but everything I've said is just so my client can be free. But all the same, I've heard everything you have said. I will do all my best to ensure that I speak to the man in question, the complainant, so that we can find a way around this. All I want is dialogue. We'll dialogue with him and see how we can go from here. But please, I need you to do everything you can. Try as much as you can to also convince him in your own way so that this matter can be over. Please, DPO. Right? You know we are friends, like you said. We are friends. I must appreciate you and I have to be on my way now. I will see you around there. Okay. Have a nice day, DPO. Have a nice day.
not solve the problem.
What else can I do other than cry? I cannot help but cry and reminisce on my ugly past and how it has caught up with me. It will never be well with Mark.
I warned you. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen to me. Now see how everything has turned.
I should have listened to you. My life is in absolute shambles right now. I should have listened. My mother has ruined me. Ruined me and everything I struggled to build all these years.
This is not the time to start apportioning blame. What is the way forward?
There's no way forward.
How about you go ask for your husband's forgiveness? What do you think?
Mama and I already went there. He was so furious. He asked his gate man to bundle us out of the compound.
Really?
Warning that we should never be allowed to set foot in his compound.
It must be really odd for him to have said that to you and Mama. It's okay, you need to stop crying.
I don't blame him. I blame myself for everything. Any man in his shoes would do worse than he has done. I just wish he can forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay.
If you truly loved her that much, why didn't you use the money he borrowed for the hospital bills to pay her bride price then? Why?
Mr. Obiora, I wouldn't know. But you see, I'm not here for that. I'm only here to solicit on his behalf. Please, forgive him. The mistake has been made already. For my sake. So that the police can at least grant him bail.
Never! Never! That would never happen. Because nothing will give me more joy than watching that idiot rot in jail and his license revoked. For all the pain he has caused me and my family.
Mr. Obiora. Look, Mr. Obiora. I can understand how you feel. But I really love you to temper justice with mercy like I said before. Please, forgive him. The mistake has been made already. Please.
Barrister, I think you've overstayed your welcome.
Are you indirectly asking me to leave your house?
Yes. And I will advise you leave before you face the consequences of not doing so.
Okay, fine. I'll go. But please, I would like you to reconsider my plea. Please. Excuse me.
Mom, you have not eaten anything since this morning. Please eat something, at least for my sake.
not hungry.
You can't say that. I know you are hungry. It's just that you don't want to eat.
I don't have appetite.
Thank God Grandma is here.
What's happening? Huh? What's happening? Huh?
She has been crying since morning and she refused to eat.
You've not touched your food. And hey, listen, my daughter. Crying all day will not solve any problem. Oh? You have to eat something while we wait and hope on God to touch his heart to forgive you and accept you back. Eat, only. Please.
I'm not hungry.
Should I feed you? Eh? Don't say that, please. You don't have to say that. Eat something, at least, even if it's small. Small. Okay, let me feed you. Don't worry. Eat.
Gentlemen, I called you both here for me to intimate you on the proposal of Dr. Mark through his attorney. The young man is actually sorry for what he did. He really wants to see you to apologize for his mistakes.
Mr. DPO, honestly, I don't need his apology. I don't.
Barrister Ben.
DPO.
Mr. Obiora, I want to plead on his behalf. Please, if you can tamper justice with mercy, I will be glad. Please.
Mr. DPO, there is no justice here to be tampered with mercy. I mean, he should have thought about all these things before doing all he did. Let me ask you, I mean, how would you feel if another man has been sleeping with your wife for years? Not just once, for years. A woman you paid her bride price, kept under your roof, and another man has been busy sleeping with her for years, and you expect me to keep quiet. I want that idiot to go to jail for all the atrocities he has committed.
Mr. Obiora, Barrister Ben.
DPO.
We all know that if this matter goes to court, this man will not return back.
That is exactly what I want. I mean, Mr. DPO, if I had known that this is why you were calling me to come and see you, I would have honored the invitation. And please, do not release him. I repeat, do not release him, because if you do, you have me to contend with. What's the meaning of this nonsense now? Please, let's just leave.
No. Mr. Obiora, you are my friend. Why are you so angry like this? Calm down, Barrister Ben. Please, talk to your client. He's my friend. If I wanted to release the young man, I wouldn't have invited you people. I would have done it on my own. But I like you. And this man here is also my friend. I'm only pleading with you if you can do it. But if you can't, I will stand with you. Because it will also serve as a lesson to all those young men out there that are spending money on women without paying their bride price. That same money you're spending on her, you can actually use it to pay her bride price. But this young man wasted time and you came. So, I will stand with you. You must get your justice.
Now you're saying what I want to hear. Anyway, I am sorry for the outburst, actually. And I must commend you for your effort. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Barrister.
Thank you, Mr. DPO. We'd like to be on my way.
No problem.
Now that justice is going to be served to Dr. Mark, can you please forgive your wife and bring her back?
Why should I?
Already the mistake has been done. And Dr. Mark obviously will go in for the crime he committed. So I'm of the opinion that you forgive your wife and they bring her back. If not for anything, at least for the sake of your little boy. That your little boy needs his mother around him. Please.
Well, I am sorry to disappoint you. I will not. I mean, why would I want to have a woman who has cheated on me for so long back into my life? I don't even know how I'm going to look at that little girl's face knowing that I am not her biological father. I don't know if I'm going to survive the trauma and the depression that comes with it. I just don't know. What is it?
Dad, I want to see Mom and Zal.
There is something I need you to understand. Okay? I need you to understand that your mom is not coming back again.
Daddy, please take me to them.
Will that make you happy?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I will think about it. Alright?
Okay.
Are you sure it is the best decision for you to take?
Yes, it is, especially now that that idiot is in jail.
It's okay. You are the one to take a decision. And whatever decision you take is what is best for you. I can only advise you as a friend and as your attorney.
Yes, I understand, but the thing is, it's really telling on my son. You know, I know he misses them a lot and really want to be with them, so I cannot deprive him of that.
I understand.
So what I'm going to do is just to put a call through to them and inform them. Or what do you think?
That's fine. Very, very fine. So where is your son?
I think he's upstairs resting.
Oh, that's fine.
Let me even make this call right away.
Okay.
So finally, Dr. Mark has gone to jail.
Serves him right. Serves him right after all he did to me. For reducing me to 0. He should rot in jail. Husband is calling.
Pick up, pick.
Yeah, hello.
Hello? Baby.
I need you and your mother to come over to the house. There is something very important I need to discuss with both of you.
We're coming now.
Alright, no problems. I'll be waiting.
Mama! 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 Come.
She said they are coming.
Okay.
Alright, let me go get my son ready. Sorry.
Obiora just called me now. He said we should come to the house. He wants to see us. I hope all is well. I guess so. Maybe he wants to forgive me and accept us back into the house. Especially now that Dr. Mark has gone to jail.
Yes, that's fine. That's very good. Yes. In that case, let me go inside and change into something else.
Me too.
Should I go with you?
Yes, you're going with us too. You are.
I have to go. You know I have a husband and a child to take care of.
I thought you're coming with us.
Sorry, I have a lot to do. Don't worry, we'll talk later.
I'll call you.
Bye.
Mama!
Every night, every morning, you seem so worried. I know you, honey. I can bet on it.
So, after much deliberation concerning the whole situation, I've decided to accept Zara here as my daughter. Because traditionally, if a man pays for a woman's bride price before a child is born, automatically the child belongs to the man. And my children's happiness means a lot to me. That's why I've decided to allow them go with their mother. Yes, I want them to go with their mother. I believe with that, it will bring closure amongst them. And I've also decided to rent an apartment for them. At least they all can stay together, and I'll always make out time to come see them from time to time. I promise I'm going to take very good care of them because they are my children.
Ogo, what happened to your own house? I mean here. I thought you would forgive your wife and take her back.
Mama, the truth is that I have forgiven her. But I cannot take back a woman who has cheated on me for years. I've forgiven her, that's why I've decided to let the children go with her. And I need to move on with my own life. I need to fall in love, get married, and start up my own family. Okay? And there is nothing anybody can say or do that will change my mind. I've already made up my mind about it.
Hey!
Junior. You've always wanted to stay with your mom, right? You are going with her. And I promise I'll always make out time to come see you. Alright? I think it's time for you all to leave.
You mean we should leave your house?
Mama, you people need to leave because I have other things I need to attend to.
Hey. My in-law, please. I'm still begging you to forgive her and take her back. Bikono. Please. Huh?
Thank you.